Before we get to story time, I've got something really cool to share with you, and I think you're going to really like it. Okay, I'm launching a new series on YouTube called Medium on the Move. It is really cool. This is what we do. I physically go to different unique, unusual, or odd locations, and I bring you, the viewer, energetically to that location for you to tap in and see what you pick up on that location. I'll tell you what I pick up too. Absolutely. This is like next level remote viewing practice. It's going to be a lot of fun. And there'll be, scrying exercises, mediumship exercises, and such in there too. It is going to be really, really cool. I haven't seen anything like this on YouTube in the spiritual areas yet. So we're going to be watching the first episode. The first episode is free. We're going to do a live watch party on July 11th. I'll be there. I hope you can join me. And this is really important too. If you are a Sage Circle member on my online spiritual community, the Medium on the Move episodes are going to be included in your membership. Okay. If you're not a Sage Circle member yet, I highly, highly, highly suggest you check out the membership because it's fantastic. That's where I do all my lives. I do live card readings, live Q&As, live meditations, full moon, new moon. It is a place that is an absolute high vibe, and it really enhances your spiritual journey. I'll say that. Plus, it's full of amazing people. So please go check that out, and I'll see you on July 11th for the live launch of Medium on the Move.